I got this 5-in-1 wireless charging unit to organize the electronics I use for my shop. I have limited space and I like less clutter. It comes with a Type-C port, 2 artificial intelligent smart charge ports, and a quick charge 3.0 port, and a wireless charge port for compatible devices. It has a built-in overcharge protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, and overheating protection. Let's unbox this charger by NexGadget. As you can see, it comes with a small USB adapter, a power cord for the unit, instructions, and the charger unit itself. The wireless base is detachable and fits only one way back in the base unit. It has rubber-like dividers with non-slip coating. The power cord is inserted in the back of the unit. And the charging ports are located on the side of the base unit. As you may have noticed, when my iPhone is on the wireless charger, it rapidly blinks. I am also charging another phone that I have and a wireless keyboard that I use for my CNC machines. I also have attached to the charger is my external Blu-ray disc player burner. I can also use this charger to charge my cameras that I use in the shop. Here is a better close-up of the unit. The wireless base can be used with the base unit or by itself with a proper mini USB cord, which they provided. If you have any questions about this unit, please leave them and I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.